Making money on Twitch, especially as a new player or gamer, can be challenging given the platform's competitive nature. However, with persistence, dedication, and strategic planning, you can start earning an income from your Twitch channel. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build your brand, unique identity. Find something unique about yourself or your gameplay and lean into that. This could be a certain game you play, your personality, or a unique twist you add to your streams. Quality over quantity. Instead of streaming for long hours, focus on delivering high-quality content. Make sure you have good video and audio equipment. Engage with your community, interact with viewers, respond to chat messages, ask questions, and engage with your viewers to create a loyal community. Regular schedule. Like any show or program, it's easier for viewers to tune in if they know when you'll be live. Leverage other platforms. YouTube. Upload highlights, compilations, tutorials, or other video content related to your Twitch streams. Social media. Promote your streams, interact with fans, and share updates on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Affiliate and partnership. Twitch affiliate program. Once you meet the criteria, 50 followers and a few other requirements, you can start earning from subscriptions and bit cheers from your viewers. Twitch partner program. This is a step up from the affiliate program and comes with more benefits, but also has stricter requirements. Diversify your income. Donations. Platforms like Streamlabs or StreamElements can help you set up donation alerts. Merchandise. If you have a decent-sized following, you might consider launching your own merchandise. This can be branded t-shirts, mugs, hats, or any other items that represent your channel or brand. Sponsorships and endorsements. Seek out brands. Once you have a substantial following, brands might approach you. Affiliate links. If you're playing or using certain products, you can use affiliate links in your channel's description. Ads and promotions. Running ads is another way of earning on Twitch, especially once you become a Twitch partner. Collaborate. Team up with other streamers for joint sessions or challenges. Paid subscriptions. Twitch offers multiple subscription tiers. Encourage your viewers to subscribe by offering them exclusive perks, like custom emotes, badges, or subscriber-only streams.